Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites: an updated Windows 10 build, admin rights, the GP modem with a working SIM, and a good USB cable. Plug the modem into a front USB port. Once Windows detects hardware, it may attempt drivers. If drivers don't install automatically, open Device Manager and locate unknown device. Right now, make sure background VPNs and other network adapters are disabled so Windows focuses on the modem. This prevents driver assignment conflicts and speeds up the next step. Once the device appears, install the GP modem's official drivers or let Windows Update fetch compatible drivers. This ensures proper USB serial recognition. Then open Network and Internet Mobile Hotspot or Cellular to create a new mobile broadband profile, entering your carrier APN, username, and password if required. Make sure the modem exposes a COM or USB serial port in Device Manager. If it shows multiple ports, pick the one tied to the modem for advanced tools. This config and now connect through Settings Network and Internet Cellular and press Connect. Once connected, test connectivity with a quick ping to 8 and open a web page to confirm DNS resolution. If speed seems slow, toggle airplane mode off and on, then reconnect to refresh the radio. If it fails, a key troubleshooting tip is to reinstall drivers and try another USB port or cable, because many failures come from bad cables or incorrect driver bindings. Make sure Windows shows the modem as a network device before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.